Hey everyone, it's Zachary Luke of Zachary Luke Designs. Today I'm joined with
Mark Allen with FabricSeal and
welcome to Thursday Thoughts. Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you for having me, Zach.
Today we're going to dabble in more on FabricSeal. We covered FabricSeal and the benefits of using it this past Tip Tuesday. If you watched that, if you haven't, go back and watch it. And we're going to just get a little bit more in depth with the company today. Talk about some more pieces you can seal, talk about their cleaning service and everything like that.
That's right, Zach.
Right.
So what we basically do, and we do everything upholstery, we do sofas, we do dining chairs, we do outdoor furniture.
That's good to know.
Yes,
So
headboards on beds.
Okay, so anything with fabric on it.
That's right.
Anything, you can
Rugs,
FabricSeal.
Area rugs are great.
Okay,
Yeah,
Yeah,
especially holidays coming up. Dining chairs are really
Right.
popular to do, and we also do cleaning, which is very
Okay.
important. So a lot of people don't understand that their fabric is, or their sofas and upholstery will get dirty over time.
right.
And to clean and protect really helps out a lot.
So cleaning, so
Yeah.
you're saying cleaning pieces that aren't protected.
That's right.
Someone
So
buys a
make
sofa.
That's right. A lot of people say you've had your sofa for 2 or 3 years,
Right.
let's just say.
Okay,
You don't want to go in and just protect it. You also want to clean it first because you don't want to seal in the oils and whatnot.
Right.
That goes.
right, and I know you were telling me a little story earlier about you recently worked with a client.
That's right.
If you want to go into more depth with that,
well,
just so people
and
know.
some people don't think that their furniture gets dirty.
Right,
And it doesn't look dirty on the outside.
Right.
Might be a super, clean person.
you're right.
But what happens is that with human oils, dog hairs, kids jumping up and down.
And even just everyday wear and tear in life.
Exactly.
I mean,
Over
yeah.
time, that builds up.
Right,
And we extract it with our machinery. And
Okay.
we go into your house. There's no gases, no nothing. It's just a nice cleaning smell formula that we use.
okay,
High end, very high end. And so it came out and it was super dirty. I mean,
Okay.
when I dumped the water out, we couldn't believe how dirty
Right.
it was. So
right,
it definitely pays off to do that
Right.
before protecting.
right. So, and then you protect it
That's right. We protect it. We also
in the same day. So you clean it
That's right.
You
When we
protect it the
protect
same
it,
day.
it's
Okay.
45 minutes. That's it.
for it to dry, right?
That's it.
We did these chairs actually a little bit before we started
That's
this
right.
video, and we took about 45 minutes and let these dry, and
That's right.
they're all set and ready to go.
They are. We're going to
Yeah.
show you later on.
Yeah,
After
Demonstration a little bit, right?
Yeah, with a little bit of water and show you how it beads up.
Right.
And how easy it is just to wipe it off. And that includes just not water, obviously. It's red wine, the harder stains.
Right, right.
It really works really well. So
Right,
we're
and,
very proud of our product.
What is the worty or the protection plan
Yeah,
that
we
comes
do
along
that.
with
That's
it?
right. So after we protect and clean and protect your furniture, we offer an 18-month service.
Okay,
So within that 18 months, say something happens and you can't get out of the stain or you don't feel comfortable doing it, well, you call me, we come out in that 18-month time frame and we get those stains right on out. And in fact, we use a kit here. It pretty much gets out every stain that you can think of, ink,
Wow.
gum, ketchup,
Oh my gosh.
mustard. Yeah, so we use this trusty little kit of mine here.
that's
And,
amazing.
yeah, and if it doesn't come out, sometimes stains are a little tougher to get out, so
Right.
it may take a few times for me to come out
Okay.
and do that.
So you'll repeatedly come maybe 2 or 3 times until that stain's out then?
Exactly.
Okay, you'll
Until
get that
you're
out.
satisfied, then we're satisfied.
Okay, so that's great for all of
That's
you to know
right.
that if you can't get a stain out, if it is something like you said, gum, that might be a little more difficult, or
That's
maybe
right.
dirt from something is
Chocolate, ketchup,
yeah,
things of that
into your
nature.
fabric, then Mark
Sure.
will come out and actually help
That's
you
right.
clean that until you're completely satisfied.
True
So
story.
if we want to look at some other pieces here that we have, you can do area rugs, as you can see here. This wonderful ottoman you can also protect. And then in this client's place, I have an upholstered mirror. So even if something were to get on this upholstered mirror, you could have that fabric sealed and protected, so nothing else gets on it, as well as the throw pillows, as you'll see on the sofa there. So like we said anything with a fabric on it, you can.
That's true.
Fabric
And
seal.
also I wanted to add, because for designers such as yourself, we offer a 10% referral fee on the total job, which
Okay.
is super great for you guys, because you do help us.
Right.
And so in return,
that's
we want to
great.
help you guys and give you that referral fee.
Yeah, that's wonderful to
Yeah.
know. Yeah, for all of you other designers out there. Also, it's not just me; it's all of you
That's
too.
right. And it helps.
Yeah, and it does help, and especially once you get, you know, a sofa, 2 chairs, an ottoman, and an area rug in there,
It
I mean,
adds up.
that does
It's a
definitely
great
adds
deal.
up, and
It's a
it's
great
great
deal.
for your client
That's
too.
right.
So,
So total satisfaction.
yeah, absolutely.
I'll show you what happens when we protect.
Sounds great. Yeah.
Have a little bit of water.
I think everyone would love to see how
Yeah.
your
And
product works.
I mean, this could be wine or anything. Right now, we just have.
We're just
water,
gonna use
so,
water for now.
I mean, and voila.
So these chairs kind of have a slope so that
Yeah.
that
Sorry.
water ran backwards. So it's a good thing it isn't a
So-
different liquid right now.
It is. It's kind of slanted, but
Right.
you get the picture.
You
And
get
I'll
the
catch
signal.
that real quick.
Yeah, no, that's totally fine.
So there you have it. And voila, it cleans up. I mean,
Yeah.
again, this could have been red wine. It could have been ketchup.
I mean, yeah, anything, but yeah.
Especially during the holidays, this is a really important time to
Right.
start protecting all your furniture.
That's important for all of you to know
That's right.
also that with the holidays coming up, Thanksgiving's in a few weeks, Christmas is next month now because it is the beginning of November already, is to, you know, seal all of your upholstery. You're gonna have more kids coming over, your nieces and nephews, your
Oh, for
grandkids coming over, even, you know, older family members that maybe can't,
True.
that aren't that clean or can't keep their glass in
Get
there.
that turkey graver.
Oh my god, the turkey
Turkey
gravy. Turkey gravy. Oh my gosh, dining chairs for sure with turkey gravy. You think about it. Mashed potatoes and gravy. The gravy you put in the turkey. Stuffing is
Cranberry
sometimes
sauce.
the cranberry
That's
sauce.
huge.
Yes, exactly.
See, exactly.
So
Works
yeah,
out.
so you contact me or contact Mark with FabricSeal,
That's right.
and either of us can definitely help you get your upholstery pieces
Yeah, you
sealed.
can look us up at www.FabricSealer.com.
And their handle on Instagram is
That's
at
right.
FabricSealCLT.
Correct.
So if you're not following, I'll tag them in my post below. I also follow them, so definitely follow them also to see all the different projects they're doing as well as mine.
That's right.
Cool.
Thank
Well,
you,
thank you
Zach.
so
You're
much
the
for sharing
best.
your thoughts on FabricSeal today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.
Bye. Thanks.